Hello everyone. Today we will be learning how to draw a mandala in Mehndi. I will share some tricks with you. Firstly, this mandala is always drawn on the back side of the hand. It can be drawn on children, on adults, depending on the front side design that you have created. So first we will start by drawing 4 lines. The first 2 lines we will color it. On the thick line, we will give U shape. One more line of U shape. And finish this with a leaf, small leaf. It looks really beautiful when you get the color. So this is the start. Now to draw the mandala, we will take the center point of the palm. Now how to take the center point? Take the middle finger, the middle part of the middle finger, just take an assumption and here would be your center point. From this center point, we will start drawing the mandala. So first, we will create a small circle, then one more circle above it, one more, one more. Basically, we have drawn 4 circles. You can draw more also, but minimum 4 is required. Now the inner circle, we will just color it. Now how we gave U shape here 2 lines, same thing we will do here also. But this would be on the circle base. This was on the line base. These two U have been drawn. Now above these U's, we will take a bigger U, like this. Ensure that there is equal spacing, and if you are a beginner, you can just give a line like this so that it doesn't go out of proportion. Just a rough line. See to it that when you are creating any mehendi design, you never rush to do or complete a design. Always give importance to your finishing and your creativity. Now we will take one more line just above the U. And blacken the empty spaces like this. Always create your mehendi design by keeping a layout in mind, and do take inspiration from other artists. If you are copying other artists' design, give due credit to them on your social handles. I'll just even this out. Okay. Now we will take these two lines which we did here, these thin lines, we will cover it. I would suggest you to always make your mehendi paste, because cones that you buy from outside have all the chemicals and they aren't very durable also. I have already shared my mehendi paste video with you guys. It's a detailed recipe that I use in my mehendi designing, and I'm sure it's going to help you also. Now again we will cover these thin lines with W. If you want to buy any of Mehndi products, you can check my Instagram page, Facebook page, mehndibyriddhi. You will get all the product details on that page. You can DM me also your requirement. If you want to learn Mehndi, I am taking online classes right now. Let me know which Mehndi course you are interested in. Currently, classes on Arabic Mehndi, basic traditional Mehndi, floral Mehndi is going on. One more line of small U we will take. Okay, so this is the mandala that we created. Now the leaves that we gave here, these leaves, same leaves we will give here also. Just observe how I am creating these leaves on a circle. Straight line dot leaf, straight line dot leaf, straight line dot leaf, straight line dot leaf. Continue for the whole circle. In place of leaves you can take dots also, that also looks beautiful. There are many types of mandalas that you can create. This is the simple and the basic mandala that I am showing you. These usually are used in Mehndi parties during weddings. Ensure that your leaf are in one direction. You can practice mehendi on paper, on acrylic hand, on your hand or on hands of your family members, friends, relatives. The more you practice, the more your work will improve. And always have patience while creating a design. If you try to finish it off early, your finishing will also be affected and your design will also be affected. Whenever client approaches you, first understand their requirement and then accordingly you can suggest them certain designs. It would be a win-win situation for both of you. And always try creating new designs. Take inspiration from various artists and create your own design. For me, mehendi basically is like meditation. I just go into another world when I start creating some designs. Also, it helps improve concentration, focus on other aspects of life as well. See, now we have created this mandala. See how beautiful it looks. It covers the entire back palm. Now we will do the fingers. In fingers, you can do many designs. Like there could be a net design, there could be a zigzag line design, or you can just give fingers simple strokes. So I will show you a combination of strokes and these U. So firstly, I'll just give a border over the nails. It's very important that you give this border. This border helps preventing the design on spreading over the nails. Please observe the fingers design. It's very simple. First we will give 4 lines like how we did at the start of the design. 2 lines of double U small. 1 line of big U. Cover it with a thick line. Give 2 more lines and finish it with small U's. Now we will give strokes. Please observe. Strokes I am doing, taking a dot and just pulling the line inwards. I'll complete it with a dot here and I will give a thick line here. Same design we will continue in rest of the fingers. Now see, there is space here in this finger. Here either you can continue with different design like an O or the same U design, or you can give a net design. I am giving a net design. How to set a design will totally depend on the broadness of the client's hand, that you will have to ask the client or observe the client's hand when you go on your assignment and accordingly set the layout of the design on the client's hand. As an Mehndi artist, I would always recommend you to have clear and honest conversation with your client before you take up the assignment about their requirement. If there are any changes before the D-Day, whatever it is, just be honest with your client and with your work. It will be really appreciated by the client, and you will be referred also. You can check my Mehndi designs on my Instagram and Facebook page, mehndibyriddhi. And also I have my own YouTube channel, mehndibyriddhi, where I keep uploading various tutorials on Mehndi. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to buy Mehndi powder, essential oil, acrylic items like acrylic hand, feet, acrylic board for your own practice, you can contact me on Instagram, Facebook. I do sell these items. Even cellophane sheets, the plastic that we use for making cone, that as well I am selling. Always keep another hand support, like how I am keeping this support so that this hand doesn't move, it doesn't get distracted. So left hand support I am keeping on my right hand, since I am creating design with my right hand. I'll just finish this design by giving this dot. See how beautiful it looks. I hope you guys have liked this design. Look forward to meeting you on my social handles. Take care. Bye.